South Georgia judge says there is enough evidence to move forward with the trial against 3 men charged with killing Ahmaud Arbery. Arbery was shot and killed in Brunswick back in February. 3 men are charged in his murder, accused of chasing, shooting, and killing him as he jogged in Brunswick back in February. A GBI investigator testified Travis McMichael never saw Arbery steal anything but pursued him out of instinct, and that after the shooting, before police got there, Travis McMichael called Arbery a racial slur. Glenn County Judge Wallace Harrow found probable cause to proceed with the trial. However, it's not clear when further court dates will be set.